When you were selected to lead the prestigious Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, what were some of the key leadership lessons you imparted during your tenure there? And how does mountaineering teach us valuable life lessons, especially in leadership?
We all are leaders. काम करते हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं तो लीडर ही तो हो गए. आपकी माँ, आपकी वाइफ, आपकी सिस्टर किचन में जाती है तो उसको कई तरीके नज़र आते हैं. दूसरा तरीका है जब सब कुछ काट के दे दो, सब कुछ दे दो, हाथ पे पकड़ा दो, तो बना बनाया पकड़ा दिया ना. लेट देम डू इट. हम बहुत इम्पेशेंट हैं. Our patience kills the leadership. Give them a chance. That's why I said, मेरे हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड वॉरफेयर स्कूल के इंस्ट्रक्टर चार सरों गिर जाएगा. मैं क्या गिरेगा कहाँ तक, तेरा हाथ भी तो नीचे है. Then he learned, yes, कि जल्दी नहीं रखना, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आएगा, लेट नहीं रखना, मर जाएगा. People know how to self-propel themselves. Give them a chance to self-propel.
Very true.
Let them perform. कहाँ पे लिखा है कर्म किस तरीके से कर? मेरे को ये बताओ.
कहीं नहीं.
वो पाप वाप आ जाता है, ये ना कर. कर्म उसने बोला काम कर डाल, वहां से स्टिक उठानी थी, यहाँ रख दे. मैं जाऊं, सर्वेंट को बुलाऊं या बहन को बोलूं या निधि को बोलूं स्टिक लेके आ, उठ के जाके रखा, तब तक खत्म हो गया काम. काम कर डाल. The leadership automatically will swell in you, and that fire will come into it on the way when you will find you can't do it. You will look into alternatives. If not, be ready to fall to your teammates. All organization has got people. किसी की छोटी हब है, किसी की बड़ी हब है. कोई बन गया डायरेक्टर, कोई बन गया सेक्रेटरी, कोई बन गया ग्रुप लीडर. उसके चारों तरफ भी तो लोग हैं ना, तो उनका इस्तेमाल करना. तो काम बांट दे. काम बांटना भी आना चाहिए ना फिर. लेकिन I get reminded of a person that
Sure.
one of my first guru, हिल जाओगी, पढ़ा लिखा बिल्कुल नहीं, तेंजिन नोर्गे, क्लाइम्ड एवरेस्ट विद एडमंड हिलरी. देखो वो गुरु और एडमंड हिलरी मेंटोर. तो यहाँ पे भी कुछ लिखा होता है तकदीर. तो मैं तो लोगों को कहता हूँ 51% तकदीर तुम्हारे हाथ में है. 49 गॉड कहता है चल यार एक और चांस दे दे इसको, क्यों मारना है अभी बाकी. I remember the first time we were on high mountain. I was the leader of the group, 7 of us. सुबह पीक चढ़नी थी. 19,000 पे बैठे हैं, 20,000 की पीक थी, कोई 22.5 की होगी. उधर दार्जिलिंग की बात कर रहा हूँ, सिक्किम की. कैप्टन J.K. बजाज, sweating with fire and all that. मैं माउंटेनियर बनने जा रहा हूँ. एडवांस क्लाइंबिंग ट्रेनिंग कर रहा है अंडर किसके, तेंजिन नोर्गे के. उससे पहले गोम्बू के नीचे बेसिक कर चुका है, जिसने एवरेस्ट ट्वाइस क्लाइंब किया. लुक एट नाउ दिस टोटल अनपैड जिसको बोलते हो, एंड लीजेंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. सुबह 2 बजे जोर से किक मारी मेरे टेंट में, मेरे पाँव के ऊपर किक लगी. कैप्टन चाय. आई थॉट यार तो चाय देनी थी बिफोर वी क्लाइंब द माउंटेन. बाकी के भी सो रहे थे. मैं जल्दी से स्टोव पकड़ा करके, ये चला गया होगा. मैं लगाने लगा स्टोव. थोड़ी देर के बाद आया, 2-3 किक मारी जोर से. मैं क्या अब क्या है, वो तो हिंदी, मैं क्या अब क्या है, कहता जो काम करवा सको करना मत। मैंने कहा अरे मजा आ गया जिंदगी का इस बार तो, अब कुछ नहीं करना इस जिंदगी में। सोनू राम उठ के चाय बना, इतनी देर में तीसरी किक मारी जोर से। मैं क्या आप क्या है गुरुजी, आई यूज्ड टू कॉल हिम गुरुजी। कहता है वो काम तुम्हें करना आना चाहिए, जो काम करवा सको करना मत, पर तेरे को पहले करना
आना चाहिए।
सो डेवलप दैट इन यू, दैट स्किल। तो कीप डेवलपिंग योर स्किल्स इन लाइफ, you will be able to walk into the grave yourself. ऊपर से कोई भेजेगा ही नहीं, वो कहेगा जाने वाला है जाने दे यार, वो अपने आप ही तो लेट गया है। I hope I have answered it.
Of course. The concept of adventure has evolved over time, with more people indulging in extreme sports. How do you see the future of adventure sports, and what new frontiers are left for humanity to explore?
See, life is an adventure itself. It's good to learn to feather in different fields. And since आप हमें बोल सकती हो कि जैक ऑफ ऑल ट्रेड मास्टर ऑफ नन, रिस्पेक्टफुली एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे हम। सिंस आई हैव एवरी टाइम दे सेड अरे 70 जंप हो गए बस करना। कल मेरे को किसी ने फॉरवर्ड एक भेजा व्हाट्सएप के ऊपर, 40-45 हज़ार लोग हैं जिसमें 9,000 तो हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ उंगली करते हैं जेके बजाज को। कहता है डू यू नो ही इज 101 ईयर ओल्ड। His name is Tindi Sharma. Tich Sharma and Tindi Sharma. Tich became chief and Tindi was chief of engineering. He was jumping at 70.
Wow.
And he yesterday turned 101. The fire in you carries you forward. आज की डेट में एडवेंचर टूरिज्म हैज टेकन ए बिग टर्न। एवरी मदर फादर वांट्स हिज और हर चाइल्ड to go in the field. The most beautiful thing is where I am staying today with my daughter, Dr. Suman Tandon and Manish Tandon. I see a ground down below, about 200 people playing soccer, from little chuchus to big people, and practicing. It builds up your not one talent, the talents in you. Whether you are doing skiing, whether you are doing gliding, whether you're doing flying, whether you're doing hot air ballooning. The people said, what are you having? I said, hot air balloon. कहता लोग घर बनाते हैं, तूने hot air balloon 5 लाख का बना लिया। बच्चे तेरे 3 लड़कियां तेरी भूखी मर रहेंगी। मैं क्या नहीं मरने दूंगा, उनको हवाई जहाज में बजाय बैलून में ले जाऊंगा। And I took by mistake one, and she landed on top of the tree. I said, आप नीचे कैसे उतरेंगे? And that also in the golf course, bang into the daily golf course, and Japanese ताली मारे जोर जोर से। Looking at it when I was leaving the army, and decided I must do something, because not because 3 बिटिया हैं, we formed a company called Green Adventures. I said adventure तो कर लिए सारे, flying, gliding, parachuting, skydiving, सब कुछ कर लिया। अब it has to have a some churn. So I clubbed it all this excitement of these sports into leadership and training
Wow.
and team building. So name a organization, whether it's a Motorola, whether it's Hughes Software, or whether it's McKinsey and all that, including Hyatt and all, you name in India. I did their 3 days, 3 night exercises in the outdoors using the platform of adventure sports. I said, over there it's real. I would have shown you photograph if I have brought it and all that you would have seen. I called it Green Adventures. I became honorary president, but my girls and all 3 of them, more educated, more learned and all 3 of them, including one who became international lawyer and all that, I said, look, इनको यूज करो. वो तेंजिन नॉर्गे ने बोला था, use people. So I used them and we flowered out for 10 years. And I started, that's how I built up the relationship with Australia and America. I became India advisor to the school, business school in Australia, University of Queensland. From where one of my daughter also topped the university and came. And I also built up a relationship for 6 years with the Indianapolis. One of the love, that's why having seen Indiana University, I want to see the Michigan, where my granddaughter is now. Wanted to see how big is very big. Oh, I was amazed in the last 4 days when I went over there. The number of sports they have, and 50,000 of the students participate. So education platform is one, and nature's platform is other, with activities. I'm glad people are falling into the adventure sports. One keeps you very fit, physically and mentally both. नहीं तो बॉल तुम्हारे हाथ में नहीं है तो गोल तुम्हारे अंदर है, तुम तो हार गए, फिर तो झटका लगेगा ही लगेगा. हार तो किसी को पसंद ही नहीं है, ना आपको ना मेरे को ना बच्चे को. वो कहता मैं करके दिखाऊंगा चाहे उससे हो ना. तो you want to build that. So I did that lot for even Boston and all that I used to. And by then I was already with the Explorer Club of New York, where I was honored as a fellow international.
Wow.
So that's the kind of, I feel adventure sports is not a must, but it is part of life.
Very true.
And the more we encourage people, the larger number, the better they would run the organization. The comradeship you pick up, teaming up you pick up, care share you pick up, including the trophy which you pick up. Everybody wants to kiss that. तो इक्वालिटी जो है कभी ना कभी सेलिब्रेट हो जाएगी,
Of course.
और भी हो जाएगी, because young people like you are pushing people into the field. करके दिखाओ, कुछ करके दिखाओ.
You've interacted with a number of prominent leaders throughout your lifetime. Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and military leaders like Sam Manekshaw. What leadership qualities stood out to you in them, and what lessons did you take from these experiences?
The most impressive out of all was, all of them, Field Marshal Sam Bahadur Manekshaw. Not because his movie has been made.
Did you see the movie?
I know him so close, so I wouldn't have missed it. The man full of life, man full of laughter, man full of determination. The only man, today we have, politicians, one ball game. Bureaucrats, another drum. Who controls whom? We don't know. But they must exist together because एक ने एक दूसरे के पास बॉल फेंक के कंट्री चलाना है और अपनी मर्जी से चलाना है, क्योंकि वोट बैंक तो पूरा चाहिए. Sorry, this is all my personal experience. I hope
this is
nobody
what
can...
we want to know.
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
What? Since I have rubbed shoulders with all these personalities, I don't want to say others have not.
King Charles also, I want to say. King Charles also. Now the king.
Okay.
Prince Charles back then.
Prince Charles was a great man, different, and he's a great person, and now great personality, and now the king.
Yeah, coming back to Sam Bahadur.
Yeah. Sam Bahadur Manik Shah, when I was shaking hand and he was giving me certificate of advanced mountaineering, that you are climbed and you are fit now to be a climber in HMI Darjeeling. I have just promoted as a major. I was yet not married. And he said, but best was, of course I was chasing a girl, my present wife. And the point, first thing impressed me most was his physical fitness. The way he carried himself. He is the only one who could write to the highest rank in bureaucracy, यदि मेरे से कोई काम हो, मेरे ऑफिस में आना, नोट बना के मत भेजा करो, कम ओवर इन माय ऑफिस. हमें काम होगा तो हम तुम्हारे ऑफिस में चले आएंगे, चाय गरम रखना. It's on record and files. ऐसी करेज वाली लाइफ. What a smart and fit soldier. I was with him for 3 days. Subsequently, of course, he looked after many things, 71 war also. We liberated Bangladesh. I was with the parachute formation.
Wow.
I was picked up also for training Mukti Bahani and all. I met him a number of times. He never forgot. Such people are image in the country. And they went by the subject matter. They didn't go for the rank. Point blank, he says, ladies and gentlemen, HMI Darjeeling, Himalayan Mountaineering Institute Darjeeling. This is his opening speech. Either has rent shot a politician or they like my face. I'm invited here. Thank you. But I thought I will be pinning badges to the beautiful looking girls and all that. But I find an equal much standing in front of me. I was right in the front. So when I was taking him around in Darjeeling, he said, look, there's so many beautiful girls around. You hang around with some and I hang around with them. What is the problem with you? I said, sir, I've been asked to be with you. Can I chase the girls, not me? So I have seen some of these people, these celebrities, learned people like K.C. Pant and all that I mentioned. I mentioned to you also Shivraj Patil and all. Shivraj Patil was very simple. He says, यार तू मेरे हाथ क्यों लटका है? मेरा जो लड़का है ना, वो दब्बू है. मैं कहा इसको तो पंजाबी भी आती, कहता दब्बू है. तो साथ में दूसरे ने बोला जो पॉलिटिशियन था, कहता मेरा भी वैसा ही है. कहता जेके को दे देना दोनों. तो वी वर डूइंग राफ्टिंग. मैं कह सर ये पानी गंगा का बड़ा तेज होता है. कहता डबो दे डबो दे.
Oh my God.
Shivraj Patil, man, sir, we jumped and we were in the raft now. I thought इसको उसने क्या डाला हुआ, सफारी सूट होता है ना, ब्लैक वाला सफारी सूट, मेरे पास फोटोग्राफ है. All of a sudden I found and he jumped into the Ganges coming to Rishikesh all the way in grade 3, grade 4, rapid के बीच में. I was shocked that that man had such an adventure ability that he must have been a great swimmer and in the ocean or sea.
Wow.
So some of our leaders have the abilities, but thoda power politics and has turned the face.
Mark Twain once said, "Don't let your schooling interfere with your education." As someone who has lived a life full of diverse experiences, what advice would you give to today's youth and about what true education entails?
See, education you cannot discard. You've got to pick up the threads from the books. If you do not pick up threads from the books, sooner or later, you will listen to gurus and get it through your ears. But putting it in practice, the taste of pudding is in eating it. And that only comes when you apply them. All those principles, determination, courage, and persistence, and must I achieve, must I reach, is yet not, one more. This outlook gets more stronger and stronger when you go through the education where there is a written platform of large number of experienced people before you. तो आई यूज्ड टू से किस चीज़ का ब्रैग कर रहे हो? ये रास्ता पहले भी नाप चुके हैं कुछ बर्ड, कुछ पंछी, वो अपने ही हैं. So I think education platform is a must. Yeah, I can't say because I never been a topper in education, but every time I did very well, they said, देखो नकल तो नहीं मारी इसने. कहते नहीं, इसको ग्रेडिंग 3rd rate मिली है, लेकिन इंस्ट्रक्टर की मिली है. एवरी टाइम CI, AI नहीं, BI नहीं, आई मैंने कहा क्यों गलती से लगा देते हैं. कहता है तू तो लोगों का स्टमक चर्न करता है, तू इंस्ट्रक्टर बनेगा. यू विल बी ए ट्रेनर, हार्ड कोर ट्रेनर, एंड यू. आई थिंक the present generation is doing very well. And their mother fathers are sweating more. Given opportunities, they can do even better. The world has opened up, and the good part I see is the girls, the ladies, getting a stronger platform, secure platform. Threats are coming down over the years, not because I have 3 daughters and a couple of grandchildren with the granddaughters. They will lead this world to be a better world. One world where equality will be celebrated.